Bo, do you want to play Roblox?
Huh?
You want to play Roblox?
I can't. I'm banned.
Bo, I'm gonna check my doorbell